we're making the dangerous pineapple margarita.
All right, so what are we making, babe?
Oh, it's a pineapple margarita.
Yep. Pineapple margarita.
Yep.
So this one it's got quite a few ingredients, but it's fairly simple. It's just a margarita inspired with a little bit of a pineapple twist. So we're going to start out with the shaker with a little ice in it. And then we're going to go for pure pineapple juice. 100% pineapple. No from concentrate.
No.
So I get
Yes,
this.
let's shake that up.
Yep. All right. Let's get it. So we're gonna double the recipe. So you want to half this recipe if it's just for one drink, but since it's both of us, we're gonna do 2 cups. So we're doubling it up, and I'll have the ingredients recipe in the description below for how to make it for one. So we're gonna start out with 4 shots of pineapple juice.
1. I'll do. I'll 3. And the 4.
All right, and so then we're gonna move on to the alcohol. And we're using tequila. It's El Imador, and it's a 100% agave. I was criticized on that one earlier. Agave drink.
What were you saying before? Agave?
I said agave.
Ah.
Yeah. So we're gonna do 3 shots of tequila.
Uno? I know Spanish.
Yeah.
Dos?
Okay.
Oh, my.
Enough, close enough.
And trace.
All right. Then we're going to do our triple sec. And normally we use Cointreau, I should say. But Patron orange liquor is in stock again. And this is basically the same thing as, what's it called?
Contreau?
Cointreau.
Contreau.
Yes, Cointreau. And it's about $10 cheaper for a bottle. So normally we try to use this instead of Cointreau to save a little money on that.
It's really good.
Yeah, very good. We'll do 2 shots.
Go and finish it up.
All right. And then lastly, we're going to give it a little sweetness with 1 shot of simple syrup. And this is just basically sugar and water boiled together to make a syrup.
Equal parts.
Yep, equal parts. So 1 shot. And one more thing, actually.
Oh, we got some
A little splash of lemon to give it a little tang. So we're just going to do a quick squeeze in there. And it's ready, babe.
Yeah. All right.
There you go.
There we go. And we have some leftover. And then
you want to do the garnish?
I'm gonna garnish with the pineapple. This is kind of. I cut this earlier. Just put this in there. Match it like that. All right.
Looks awesome.
There we go.
All right, let's try them out. See what we got.
And this is why we drink.
And this is why we drink. Oh yeah.
It's very good. So
Yeah, go ahead.
the ingredients that we were gonna use originally had fresh pineapple in it, but we kind of like made it our own. So there's no fresh pineapple in it because it kind of just gave it like a weird consistency. So we just used the pineapple juice and it's really good.
Mm-hmm. And These are very dangerous, she likes to say.
Yes.
These go down so smooth, it's almost like drinking a fruit punch that you don't even realize how much liquor is in these things.
They're just so good, they go down so easily.
Yeah.
It's dangerous.
Yeah. If you guys like what you're seeing, just like and subscribe to the video and comment, and that helps more people see it and the channel grow. All right, we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
See ya.